Hello everyone, and welcome back to another topic of contemporary challenges for IT managers. The topic for today is gonna be computer security. We're gonna introduce computer security, discuss some of the benefits and drawbacks of computer security, and we'll look at challenges faced by the computer security, and we'll provide some of the solution for it. So without further ado, let's look at the topic. So what is computer security? Computer security is a method of protecting computer system and information from harm, threat, and unauthorization. It is a process that includes preventing and detecting unauthorization. It is also known as cyber security. The benefits of having computer security is that it protects the system by the use of antivirus. It is easy to protect the system and from any harmful threats such as spyware, malware, and viruses. It predicts the hackers to attack the system and prevent the data. It also maintains the privacy of the users, and it has a minimum it minimizes the computer crashes. Let's look some of the shortcomings of computer security. So it is as it is a technical aspect, it is difficult to configure all the system and implement to the system. Even though it has installed in the system, it needs frequent updation, and it lowers the system, slower the system as it has the bigger file. It is expensive, and lack of knowledge may block the users from performing the certain tasks. Let's look some of the challenges of having computer security. Password theft. The easy and crackable password can be easily cracked down by the hackers, and then they can misuse the system. It has an artificial intelligence threat. Although AI-powered security solution can identify vulnerabilities and respond to modern threat, hackers can use the AI to find the weaknesses in the system and invade with the malware tools. Modern threats, as we all know, like the technology is going advanced, and so as the hackers are being advanced, and you never know which threats is being created to harm the system. So it's always uncertain even if you have the latest version of your computer system. What are the solutions of it? Like, we can install fireware to the system. As well as we can install antivirus system that can protect the system from harmful threats and viruses. We can maintain we can apply the security policy to the system, as well as we can define the goals of strategic security. And that's all for today. Thank you.